Hello everyone, greetings from Paytap's technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate Paytap's Shopify plugin into your Shopify store. So let's get started. In the first step, we are going to learn how to set up, activate, and upgrade the plugin. But before we do that, let's get to know the basics first. The first thing you need to know is what is Shopify. Shopify is a well-known e-commerce platform that helps businesses to sell both physical and digital products. Shopify comes with a set of great privileges such as being quick, easy to use, and it has a set of powerful search engine optimization features. You can read more about Shopify in our solution article, get to know more about the Shopify platform, or you can check their official website. The second thing you need to know is what is the difference between Shopify base currency and Shopify store currency. The base currency or the payout currency is the currency where all your payments will be initiated and charged with. On the other hand, the store or the display currency is the currency that will be displayed to your customer on your Shopify store. It is important to know this difference so you can define the list of currencies you need to be configured on your Paytap's merchant dashboard. And note that with Paytaps you can accept payments with multiple currencies. You just need to reach us at customercare@paytaps.com requesting the list of currencies that you need to add. Now that we know what is Shopify and we know the difference between the payout currency and the display currency, the second question that comes to mind: what do I need else so I can set up the plugin? Actually, you don't need any special requirements. All what you need is to have your Paytap's active account and you have your Shopify store up and running and you are ready to go.